Marhaba and welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. The Middle East has a lot of vegetarian meals with a fair bit of protein that can be used as sides or main meals. This one's called Mahroos. This looks like gruel. It makes me feel like I'm in a poor Arab prison, but it's really tasty. It's made with black eye beans. Ingredients are 1 cup of black eye beans, 1 medium shredded onion, use a cheese grater, 1 litre of water plus 1 cup more. Allspice, I couldn't find it, but it's simply cinnamon, nutmeg, turmeric, sea salt and clove powder combined, and add what you like, and olive oil. Step 1. In a medium boiling pot, add the beans and 1 litre of water and bring to a boil, then drop the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Step 2. Drain the contents of the pot in a sieve to get rid of the water and set it aside. Step 3. Using the same pot, give it a quick rinse, then add the olive oil, heat it up, then add the onions to saute. Keep stirring the onions and make sure all the liquid evaporates. Then turn down the heat and leave it to simmer. Step 4. Add the black eye beans to the blender attachment and add 1 cup of water, then blend. It will be this consistency and color. Step 5. Take the blender with the gruel contents to the onions with the allspice mixture. Add the allspice first to the onions and mix until well incorporated. Then add the bean gruel and mix until it starts to pulse or beat like a heart. That's when you should turn off the heat. Serve and enjoy this gruel-like prison food with or without barbecue meat skewers. So yum. Be seeing you.